welcome to another episode of POV Photography. I'm here in the Cameron Highlands in Malaysia, in the beautiful nature, this lush green environment. It's utterly spectacular. I've got my POV set up here with the GoPro. We'll be walking up a hiking route which is Jungle Trail 10 up to the summit, which has a fantastic view over the highlands here, and then making my way all the way down to the tea plantations. I hope you enjoy. Move quick, Shock, move quick. Got something super nice. This one has definitely not been in use for some time. Can you see the vegetation growth all over the wheels and here in the hood? And then I just want a close-up shot of the actual number plate. Okay, so plan of attack is we're gonna head up wherever the path is, because that looks like it's closed. No entry. All right, looks like then it's this way. So there's some pretty nice tree chunks here. A little bit harder to play creatively with this light. My personal take on this is, because we have two of these, I use one as a foreground to frame this tree trunk that's a bit further back, and that will help us with our lines. Oh, we finally made it out. I mean, this is nice. I'm gonna head up because I think we might actually have something over on this other side. I mean, even just here, like, can you see that? This is incredible. You can hear that, that is my tripod pulling on everything. You're really in this experience with me, aren't you? Got a bit of fruit here. Hi, can I take a picture? Thank you. I didn't realize there were people here as well. have some. Do you guys want some food? It's okay? You sure? Yeah. Thank you. Hey, you're welcome. You're working hard. Very hot. A shot. This guy's just running through right now. I think it would be really nice with a telly. I think let's send up the drone and see what we can find.